Hi teacher, this is my homework presentation. So, all about me. Okay, just wait a minute. Here we go. So, hello, my name is Daniel Vega Calao. I was born in Monteria, Córdoba, in Colombia. I'm 39 years old, and my phone number is 310-308-2298. My favorite color is black, and my email address is blp underscore dviga3 at hotmail.com. And this is my presentation. So the next, okay, there are my family. I'm living right now with my mom, my two sons, and my daughter. They are my children. So let me to present. She's my mom. Her name is Lucely. It's me, and he's my little baby, Emmanuel. He has 4 years old. She is my niece. Her name is Mariana, and he's my son. And they are my older children. Sorry. So his name is Johan. Her name is Nicole. He has 40, 14 years old, and she has 15 years old. Okay, they are my family. So the next one is done. Okay, what do I for living, or what I do for a living? So I've been working as drywall installer and construction laborer for 10 years, and I'm be able to execute mm, any jobs quickly and efficiently. I think that I have a positive attitude, and I'm very helpful with all these. And drywall installer and blind installer or maintenance worker. That's it. So, and thank you and goodbye, teacher. Have a nice day. Take care.